to my channel. On today's video, I'm doing an unboxing. This is my order from Jujubee. I got the Whimsical Watercolor in the Be Light and the is it Be Switched, the packing, the organizer that goes inside the lights or even the Be Right Backs. But there was an email from Jujubee saying that due to being like so crazy and so high in demand, that some people's stuff weren't going to be shipped and they were going to be refunded. So I don't know if I got both items. It looks a little light and I'm going to be so sad if I didn't get it. Ah, shoot. I didn't get it. All right. Well, I got the Be Switched, which is the organizer, which kind of sucks because I wanted it for my Be Light for the water, Whimsical Watercolor, but that's okay because I have another Be Light in the Duchess. So, I mean, this is really, really nice. It is something I wanted, but I'm kind of sad that I didn't get what I really, really wanted. So yeah, so I'm gonna get refunded my other stuff. So I know I don't sound excited, but I'll do a packing video with this one and my other Be Light so you guys can see how I have it packed. I do have a toddler, so we'll do that one for you guys. All right, see you guys soon. Bye.